case, you can, okay, we have a construction HSE plan for it. And then HSE audits, already we have mentioned it. Safety meetings, that is a toolbox talk.
Yes.
For toolbox talk, we have a toolbox training. Okay, these things are okay. Contractor conduct internal audit. What is that internal audit? Already we have covered with the same.
There is a external
HSE plan. Target management also conducting
Their
quarterly
internal
audits,
Okay.
and they are getting their management attention on that project, and they are addressing the issues on that particular project. We have, it's already included in the audit plan also.
Okay, then that document number need to be mentioned.
Yeah, it's part of construction HSE
It
plan.
is also part of the construction
Yeah,
HSE plan. Okay, regular HSE meetings are in place. This is also part of the
Construction HSE
HSE
plan.
Okay, regular toolbox. talk
Yeah, this is also construction HSE.
plan is here.
What is the purpose of this document then?
This camp HSE,
Camp
is
HSE.
because we are running camps also.
Yeah.
So
we have to
ideally,
Okay, then we can need, it is not a camp, it is like camp welfare management. It should be
The
mentioned.
name what they put it, camp, HSE plan and company audit.
No.
So you want to change the name? Okay, now then,
That's the point I'm asking, because what is the thing is, camp welfare management plan,
Yeah.
in that there is an audit checklist is there. So whenever they go for a visit, they will be using the checklist and then they will be doing the audit.
So,
So we can mention the camp.
give me the title, give me the title.